This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can install and eject an SD card on this device. So first, power off the camera. Once the camera is switched off, look at its left side if we are looking at the screen, so left. Then use those toggles or buttons to take out the battery, like that. And inside the battery compartment, you can find an SD card slot. Here it is. You can even see the SD card icon. Now take your micro SD memory card, position it like that, contact side down, and then insert it just like so. So make sure that it is slotted and then push it in until push it in and you should hear the distinctive click. That signalizes that the SD card were inserted successfully. Now we can return the battery back inside its compartment, and if we were to power off the camera, you should clearly see that it has been installed, but it hasn't been because I haven't slotted battery all the way in. So let me fix that real quick. Now it is properly installed. Or perhaps it wanted us to format an SD card, so we'll do that. And as you can see, the format went successfully, and SD card is also recognized by the system. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.